Hey guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to send crypto from Trust Wallet to your Coinbase account. So first of all, you need to open your Coinbase and copy the wallet address. So you need to click transfer right here and choose receive crypto. Then from the list, you need to find the cryptocurrency you want to receive. For example, let's try on Bitcoin. Here you need to choose the default Bitcoin, and when you click on default Bitcoin, it shows you your own Bitcoin address on Coinbase. You need to click this wallet address and you can close Coinbase. After that, you need to open the Trust Wallet. So in this case, we are sending Bitcoin. So here is Bitcoin. If you can't find it, you can use the search bar in the top. So click on Bitcoin, then click send. In the first gap, you need to paste the wallet address. We just copied from Coinbase, so you need to enter the Coinbase Bitcoin wallet address. And right here, you need to enter the amount of BTC you're sending. After you will enter these details, you need to click the next button and you need to verify the transaction. After you will send the crypto, in 10 minutes you can check your balance on Coinbase. So that's how you can send the crypto from Trust Wallet to Coinbase. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.